How to add a plugin on Wix.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add a plugin on Wix.com. So if you're working on Wix.com and if you find the need to add a plugin, just watch this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So once when you log into Wix.com, you can see right here that you will be redirected here on this home page. You can click on design sites. So open the Wix a website designer or website editor. So here in this new video, the editor is being opened up. So you have to wait for that a bit because it actually takes some time to prepare your website. So here you go. This is the website. And now if we need to add a subscribe button, what can we do? By the way, you can see there's already a subscribe button here. But if we need to add another one, let's just say we can add it right here. We need to click on add elements. And then we can go here on, let's just see where is contacts. Here you go. And here you can go here and then you can select anyone that you want. I'm going to go with this one. Let's do it again. Oh, here you go. It's right. It's not here. I guess we need to do it again. We actually have to drag and drop it. Subscribe. Here you go. This is the way it's going to work. Here it is. Here you go. That's the way to do it. We can also add it down right here if we want. That's completely up to us. But this is how you do it. And we can resize it as well if we want. That's also completely up to us if we find the need to resize it. And we can change its colors, format it according to what we want. Anything we want to do, we can do it from here. We can edit this. We can go to the settings and change the settings if we want. It actually depends on the network connection. If you have a slow net, if you have a slow internet, then it's going to take some time. But if you have a fast internet, then it's going to happen right away. So my net is currently a bit slow. That's why it's taking some time. But here you go. I have added another one. So you can just edit the form right here in settings. You can do some formatting if you want. Completely up to you. The forms, the layout, and the design and all that stuff from background. You can just change it. You can do anything that you want, change the opacity and stuff, change the color as well. That's completely up to us. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.